Thokozani bogogo nomkhulisani kwasendoda leso ugogo Bathini Mbatha. Namhlanje sikhuluma ngama-tips of ukuyohlola. It's gonna be a very short video, straight to the point. Guys, uma uyohlola, number one, make sure that you get there, not in the place, not in the area, there, exactly where you are going early. If we are go Matata, Palaborwa, and everything, obviously you must sleep that side so that you are early. Make sure you are early. Two, make sure that you keep it a bit of a secret. Actually, the keeping it a bit of a secret, it must be number one. Number two is to arrive there early. Number three, make sure you do not plan anything on that day. Nothing whatsoever. Don't plan anything on the date of consultation. Don't. Why, Gogo? Because your mind is outside the gate. Your mind is there on whatever you've planned. Don't go Ukuyohlola and ngapha you still have to rush to work and everything. I know people will need to work, but prioritize consultation. Make sure with your consultation, it's top of the priority. It's the only thing that you are doing on that day and nothing else. And lastly, when you get to consultation place, do not get there and start being a drama queen and start complaining, hey, uban it's late, hey, ugogo late, hey, umkhulwa ekhaya late and everything. For example, like today, I'm not feeling well at all. Gosha one manje during the day. I'm not well. But I know there are people that are waiting and I have to respect them. Sometimes if I'm too sick, they know I'll send umshana with no, please, I won't be able to go down. But today, okay, I can feel it, okay, I'm getting better now. Let me go and start working. When you have arrived early, so me being late is none of your business. Me now I know where I'm going to take over. Why? Because your ancestors are here with you. But as soon as you start complaining, you start and then you sit on the phone. That's another thing. We'll talk about the phone one as number 5. You start complaining and everything. Boom, your ancestors are leaving, are going. Lastly, make sure that you do not use your phone. Guys, phone in Lokuzane puts us in another world. Because you are going to hear something that will disturb you. You're going to hear something that will touch you. And then your mind, your soul, and everything is no longer there where you are going to look for help. Remember, consultation, you want that person or that will be consulting you to find out what seemed to be the problem in your life. The problem that you don't know, or you don't know the cause of the problems that you know, and we are there to find that out, but now you are adding more. Please, guys, please forward this video as much as possible to as many people as you possibly can, because it is important. I don't care what you hlola and everything. Even if la uyohlola khona bathi ubaba wakhona noma umama wakhona noma ugogo wakhona noma umkhulu wakhona uqala ukusebenza ngo-3 ntambama, be there early, not to be number 1. Don't rush with number 1. No, that's not important. Be there early, because your ancestors works better in the morning. So if Ukuyohlola, you prepare, we are part and then you go with your ancestors. So if you are there early, it works at your advantage. It means your ancestors, they stopped everything that they were supposed to do on that day, and they are focusing on delivering your problems, the solutions, the causes of your problems to the person you are going to consult to. Salwa sendo to Gogo Bathini Mbatha. Mavula kuvala emzini wami madoda. Thokozani.